are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
It's now time for viewer comments.
All right, guys, let's take a look and see what we got for comments. It looks like Junior Crazy 9461 wrote me and said, "Man, just because you didn't put crust on the pizza does not make it a bottomless pizza." That's exactly what a bottomless pizza is. The Wilbur 890 wrote, "Still doing product reviews, June 2025. Yep, if there's anything you want me to review, let me know. But we're still doing product reviews. Nothing interesting has really come out yet. But if you see something, send it my way. I'll do a video on it." And Jack Davis 1111. "I'm very excited for the investigative reporting." Well, I am too. Thank you very much. If there's something you want me to investigate, let me know. The next video we're doing is comparing dine-in restaurant food to a to-go order and seeing if the amounts are different. I believe you get ripped off. On to-go orders, you don't get as much food. We'll find out. Okay, guys, let's run down all the ingredients. You got ground beef, cheddar cheese, light brown sugar, onion, bell peppers, ketchup, oil, and milk. I think that's all of it, other than the spices. Salt, pepper, onion powder, that kind of stuff. But these are the ingredients. Let's get everything prepared. First, I want you to do me a favor. Brown the meat. Meet me over at the stove. Well, we're probably going to brown the meat and throw ingredients in. So let's prepare all the ingredients first and meet me at the stove. Let's do that. And pour oil in. There we go. Alright, guys, brown the meat and then I'll show you what to do next. Alright, guys, we're going to put a little salt in. And some pepper. Love pepper. Little minced onions. A lot of minced onions. Brown sugar. Put your ketchup in. You're going to put about a cup of ketchup. I'm just eyeballing it. Don't forget the Worcestershire sauce. Throw that in there. We're literally making sloppy joes from scratch, obviously. Throw that in there. Then you're going to throw in the onions and bell peppers. So I'm going to throw them in now so they get well cooked and incorporated. Okay, guys, starting to smell good. So we are now doing the cheese sauce. We're going to start with a little bit of butter, melt about a tablespoon or two of butter in there. We're going to take some of our milk, pour that in there. Let it all meld together. We're going to take our cheese and dump that in. About a cup's worth. And so you're going to start out with a full-size tortilla. Go ahead and grab your meat, and veggies. Give it a good scoop. Right in there. Beautiful. Then come over here. Grab your cheese sauce. Put that over there. Looks beautiful. And because you just don't have enough cheese in this family, you add a little bit more cheese. Then you're gonna roll it like this. Fold the meat back a little bit, fold the sides in, beautiful, and then roll it the rest of the way. 2 more rolls, put it on a plate, and meet us over at the stove. Okay, now that we got all the sloppy Joe burritos rolled, we brought them over the stove. We're melting in a skillet some butter. We're just gonna grill them really fast so you get that light brown outside. It'll probably also seal the tortillas closed. Just go ahead and grab one, throw it seam side down first, and listen to it sizzle. Give it a minute or 2 on each side, and then bring it back to the plate. All right, go ahead, I'm excited. Ooh, it's all bubbly and cheesy. How awesome. All right, honey, go ahead. Good? Mm-hmm. You'd recommend people to do this recipe? Mm-hmm. Nice. Okay, guys. There it is. Sloppy Joe burritos.